Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is it's almost the day of my show. It is peak week and I'm super excited. I am so anxious right now. I'm definitely just like trying to get everything prepped and stuff right now. I'm actually gonna meal prep before I go to bed because it's already late. But yeah guys, I'm super excited. I have totally enjoyed this whole process as much as obviously I've been craving foods and stuff like that, even like the simplest things. I crave peanut butter. Could you guys believe that? Or like nuts. And by all means, I'm not perfect. You know, we have all had some days where, we mess up, and I'm admitting to it, but I also put in the work, and I know that my work and what I do is going to show. So I am super excited. I'm actually trying my best to finish my gallon of water because I am so tired, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to record real quick before I go to sleep, and I'm going to meal prep. So it's going to take some time, and then I'm going to go ahead and sleep my tiredness away, of course. But yeah, guys, I'm so happy and grateful that you guys were a part of this journey. I'm definitely going to vlog my first show, so I'm gonna do the whole thing, and I'm so excited, guys. You guys don't understand how excited I am. Really happy with the results and how my body has been transforming. I know you guys have seen it. The people who have seen me in person have also been like, wow. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm sorry, I'm gonna apologize for the lighting here. It's pretty bad, but yes, I just wanted to sneak in a quick video before I prepped and then did everything. So stay tuned. Good morning, guys. So today is Friday, a day before my show, and I'm pretty much talking to you guys through my mirror because I have a hot mess right now. I'm still packing. I didn't go to bed I preferred to go to bed early yesterday. So yes, excuse my mess. The reason why I'm talking to you guys like this, but I'm excited. Today is Friday and tomorrow is my show. So excuse me, I'm gonna go show you guys real quick my setup and the sponsors that I got. I'm so excited. I'm blessed to have amazing people in my life and so much support. I'm gonna show you guys what I have, and let's get started. So I got sponsored by C&S HVAC, and I love this shirt. It's Find Your Fire, and technically, it's a heating and air conditioning company. So I freaking love that gorgeous color and the whole point of it. My suit is red. Oh my god, you guys. That's that. And then this is my suit. You guys will see the color later. And then this is our competitor shirt. It's a kind of like a cover up as well. And this is my jewelry. Of course, since it's a pandemic, we have to wear a mask. And then SUSSEX Lifestyle sweatsuit. I freaking love this. It's so nice. It's a windbreaker and then some sweats. I am excited. Yes. And I forgot to show you guys the nails. So freaking cute. I decided to go with press-ons for myself. Super excited. So, if you guys know, the life of a prep requires us to carry a lot of meal preps. And luckily, obviously the pandemic doesn't allow a lot of things. So we were super happy we get to see this in our room. No cold food for us. And this bad boy. Aren't we, Daniela? You guys have no freaking idea how happy we were when we first saw that. Like literally, we preferred that than our freaking view, to be honest. Our view's kind of nice too, but our fridge is better. So beautiful here. Good morning, everyone. Please excuse our multicolored bodies.
It's freezing.
We're super tan and looking like homelesses trying to go get some coffee.
Just touch up soon.
But today is the day.
Okay.
We're gonna go get some breakfast because we're hungry. Damn COVID. Fucking A. I'll just put it on right now. OMG. Fuck, it's fucking cold, dude. Oh. It's so pretty here. So nice. It's a resort. It feels almost like if we're in Cancun because it reminds me of the one in Cancun. It was literally like this. It was like all these little tienditas. It was cute, but the stuff was free. We didn't have to pay for it.
What? Why no?
Sure, we don't have to pay fucking. How much was it?
Nothing.
Like
The
$20
bed,
for fucking
everything was
coffee.
included.
Here's something.
Girl, go.
Do you guys see the stairs? Because obviously I don't. She has fucking good ass eyes.
Oh, my
Should I do? I see the stairs. Yeah, right there. Well, fuck, man. You have really good eyesight. Here are the stairs. I don't know how many degrees it's in here. It's out here, but it's fucking cold. Guys, I wish you guys can see this. It's so beautiful. The mountains, it's so nice, and the stars are like super freaking close to us.
All the way towards the back.
We found her car after searching for 2 million years. It's freaking cold. That took us a long time. So, we are headed to take our second tan. Man, we are so dark already. I don't know what more we need. Can you guys tell? So I'm carrying this just because I shouldn't be drinking any more coffee, but this is our before. I think for my autofocus, I'm kind of pale. So pretty. Thank you. Daniela.
I feel so great. You know, I'm just so excited for this amazing experience that we're gonna just take today.
Yes. Cheers.
Looking cool.
With some
Cheers.
coffee. So the only downside about all this is that we have to go from one corner to another, going up and down the stairs. Like we should be even sweating.
No bra.
Nope. We
No
have our
panties.
nipples popping out, everything.
It's crazy.
But it's a beautiful resort for sure. We're super cold. I hate how we have to be all up in our mask. But it's beautiful here. Okay guys, so I am almost ready to be in the show. Sorry, I'm doing it super quick because it is almost showtime. It's a little bit exaggerating my makeup, but I got to deal with it. I'm super excited, guys. Hello, beautiful. Are you ready? Look at this gorgeous. We are ready. Are my earrings too big?
No, they're beautiful.
Okay.
Oh, I like yours. And a little bedazzled mask.
Mm-hmm. Yours is pretty. I feel weird with mine on. Oh yeah, text me. So, how did you feel on your very first show? You looked very pooped. She killed it, guys, but she just already obviously lounging. We are done. Well, not done because we're waiting for the finals, but where we get to pick up our trophies, you know? But yeah, we're ripping our SMSB shirts, chilling like a villain. And we're just waiting because we're gonna go eat. But I am so freaking tired. Oh Lord, we were sponsored by HVAC, C&S, and also Bikini was there. SUSSEX. My sweatsuit, so freaking nice. Look at that. My sweatsuit, look at that, so nice. I just don't want to wear it because I don't want to dirty it, but I'm so tired. I'll show you guys everything from the videos that we capture. I'm so tired. We're gonna rest and then go eat. This is the windbreaker. I'll show you guys. Super nice, and especially because it's super cold. And then here's my bikini. Ooh, super shiny. Hi guys, I am Snoopy. Just kidding.
Yeah.
I look super dark and I don't
We
even
look
look
like
myself.
little Siamese twins.
But we need to dress up for the second show.
God, we look aggressive.
So está grabando ya, nomás deténgala.
Okay.
You go in the front. You go, no, Jack, you have to
Where are
go
you
in
guys
the front.
going to?
Okay.
Where are you guys going to?
To eat.
Where?
To the pool.
Where?
To the pool.
Where?
I'll go.
I'll go. Where are you guys going, girls?
Why are you such a cameraman? I know, Mom.
Where are you guys going to?
To eat.
Where at?
I don't know.
Hamburgers now.
Where are you guys going to?
Pretty sure she was.
So we're not going to the pool, but we're gonna go eat because we are gonna celebrate. Woo! We all placed. So of course we're gonna go eat some amazing food.
Oh, look at that.
But first, let's admire the sun.
The sunset.
How come we didn't watch it? So we placed, guys. Daniela had 2 third places.
We gonna be okay.
Jackie got first place. The mom got, what'd she get? She lost her license. She lost her license. And we got 3 trophies. First, second, and 5th. We had to go home and not home, but to the room and shower because we look like Oompa Loompas. Huh? Oh, you're so beautiful. Like, remember how we were all dolled up?
Oh.
We feel much better this way. But we're super happy. We're gonna eat and we're gonna probably get some drinks. So we're gonna celebrate.
We'll do a post.
Yes. We'll post drinks after video. Yes. And by the way, guys, this resort is beautiful. It's a Squaw Creek Resort in Squaw Valley.
Con la alberca que salga lo azulito y todo. Y la fountain. Ya,
It's the first
Yeah, makeup again, Mom.
after our show.
I know.
Where's your drink, Mom?
right here.
It's
What did you get?
It's hella strong. Dude, I took the sip. I was like, oh gosh.
This one's actually sweet.
Is it? This one is. Mine is kind of drinky.
Oh, the food is here. Those fries are mine. Oh no, mine are here.
The Newport?
She's tired. I'm excited.
I love sweet potatoes.
This is beautiful Donner Lake. So freaking gorgeous. We had to stop